Hey there, thanks for stopping by. Today we'll be finishing our trip into Minnesota. But real quick first, for those of you who didn't know, I have more 4K dashcam videos just like this one from 15 states and counting, so go please check those out if that interests you. Also while you're there, you can easily help support this channel and the creation of more videos like this one by just clicking that subscribe button. Right now we are driving west on I-94 in Minnesota. Once we hit I-694 in St. Paul, we'll follow it around the city to North I-35 via I-35 East. Once on I-35, we will take it to US 8 and Forest Lake and exit into Forest Lake where this adventure will end. If you find this video entertaining, please make sure to leave a comment telling me why. If you have any questions or recommendations on places I should visit in the future. I love talking and getting ideas from you all, so I'm looking forward to what you have to say. But for now, we're hopefully leaving that comment and or hitting that like and subscribe button if you think I've earned it. I'm going to continue my way into the St. Paul area. Well, that's it for this video and trip. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my channel for other trips I have taken or will take in the future. Don't forget you can always subscribe so you won't miss anything too. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.